Hello Tech Explorers, want to sign up for InVideo AI but not sure how? No worries, I'll walk you through it in just few steps. Let's go. Have you ever used InVideo AI before? Or is this your first time? Let me know in the comments below. First, open your browser and search for InVideo AI. Click on the official website to open it. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Tap on it to start the registration process. Now, enter your email address and create a strong password. Some sign-up forms may also ask for a username, just pick something unique. You may need to verify your email before continuing. Check your inbox, open the verification email and click the link inside to activate your account. Once verified, you are all set. You have successfully signed up for InVideo AI and can start creating amazing content. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment. See you in the next video.